Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in the honor of Thanksgiving Day and Black Friday, I've put together a haul video for you guys so you can see how crazy I went with shopping. So without much further ado, let's go take a look. The first item we have here is ta-da! Okay, so what we have here is soft silk mohair from Knitting for Olive, and I got this in forest berry color. I've worked with this mohair yarn previously in a project which I actually uploaded as a vlog video, so you should go check it out. It's the only mohair yarn that I've ever worked with before, so I can't say much as to whether, this is the best yarn that's out there or anything like that, but I didn't have any issues with it, so that's why I got more of it. One thing that kind of surprised me was that the color, it said forest berry, but I think it has a little bit more of an orange or brownish hue than I had anticipated, which is not bad. It was just a little different from my expectations. I'm planning on making a velvety sweater by Gregoria Fibers, which requires combining 3 strands of this to work it up, and so I'm hoping that once I do that, the color won't be an issue and that it'll just be a pretty sweater. So that's it for this yarn. For the second yarn, let me get my wand again. Bam! So we have another set of yarn from Knitting for Olive. I got this Merino yarn in bottle green color. It's a fingerling weight yarn and it's really soft. And I also got the soft silk mohair yarn, also in bottle green color. So these two are an exact match in terms of color. I'm planning on making a no-frills sweater for myself. I made one for my sister before and it was really cute, so I wanted to make one for myself as well. And because of this gorgeous deep green color, which reminds me of a Christmas tree, I'm planning on knitting this around Christmas, so maybe you'll get to see a vlog of that around Christmas time. Fingers crossed that I'll be on schedule. Next up is Sandnes Garn. I always read it as Sadness Garn, but I know it's not actually Sadness. So wait, that is not all, ladies and gentlemen. I also got these. So the reason why I got these yarns is because there is another YouTuber I like to watch, and the other day I saw that she knitted a cardigan using this exact yarn combination. And the color and the fit came out so beautifully. I was like, I've never knitted a cardigan before, but I'm gonna make myself a cardigan in that exact color scheme. So I bought the exact same yarn as her. I must say, so with the alpaca wool, the yarn was very small, like a lot smaller than I thought it would be, but it makes sense given that it's only 50 grams. So that's about 100 meters. And I got the yarn in lilac color, which by the way, in person, it's a lot brighter than how it looks right now. And for the mohair yarn, this is basically twice as big as the alpaca yarn. It's 100 grams and about 200 meters, and I got it in dusty lilac color. So basically the same lilac, just slightly dustier. So with the color combination, I think it reminds me more of springtime. So I probably won't get to making this until when the weather is slightly warmer, but definitely stay tuned because I think it's going to be a very cute project. So for the next set of yarns, we're going to travel to this far away magical kingdom called South Korea. The popular knitting website there does not ship to America, so I had to ask my mom for a bunch of things. So thank you, Mom, for basically sponsoring this segment of the video. Ding! So the next yarn we have is Fil Light by Phildar, which is a French brand. And this one is 53% acrylic, 29% nylon, and 18% wool. I think they're trying to recreate what mohair is like, but I guess it will be more durable because it's an artificially treated yarn. And I got a whole bunch of these, not just one skein, don't worry. The reason why I got this is actually because I wanted to get a pattern for a fisherman top-down sweater by this YouTuber slash influencer, but they only sell it as a package, so I had to get these two together. And I actually wanted to get the yarn in this gorgeous green color, but they were sold out, so I had to get it in yellow. I think it's going to make me look like a baby chick, but in like the nice fluffy way. But because of the color scheme, to be honest, I probably won't get to this until when the weather is warmer yet again. But I think it's gonna be really cute. And I don't know if you can actually see the texture very much from like the screen right now, but it's very fluffy and very soft. So I'm very excited to make a sweater out of this. Next up, we have yet another project that probably won't be completed until summer of 2021 is, ta-da! So this is another yarn called Degrade from Phildar, and it's 100% cotton yarn. And believe it or not, I bought this all in the same pie color. Yeah, I know, it's hard to believe. When I first saw them, I was just like, this is the same color? Maybe because it says it's Degrade, so it's supposed to be ombre. But here, let me put it in order so you can see the color gradient. Anyways, the reason why I got this is, again, I wanted to get a pattern for this tank top slash bustier, and I wanted it in that color, but they were sold out, so I got it in this darker color. Given that this is going to be a tank top, and especially in cotton material, I probably won't make this until when it's closer to summer, but who knows, maybe I'll have a lot of free time and want to make this earlier. So stay tuned on that one, and that's it for this yarn. Now that I've shown you all the yarns, let me show you two sets of knitting needles that I purchased. First up is Denim Special Collector's Edition by Knit Pro. These are short tips, and they were made in collaboration with the Korean website that I told you about. So you can't really get this easily anywhere else. So let me show you what's inside. Ooh, I like the little zipper pocket in the front. So the needles come like this, organized by different sizes. And this one, wow, it's so small. This is 5.5 millimeters, guys. And it comes with two different lengths cables, cable stoppers, and a key for the cable. Wow, so I was using Chiagu shorties, the twisted shorties, in my previous project, and it was really slippery because it was metal. I'm wondering, since these are wooden, if there will be more traction so that it won't be so slippery when I'm working with these. Let's check out a different size. Oh my gosh. So these are 3.5 millimeters. Oh my god, look how tiny they are. Wow. You know how short tips are supposed to be really helpful for sleeves? I'm kind of afraid that I would want to shoot myself working with these because they're so tiny. I'm currently working on a sweater project right now, and so when I get to the sleeves, I'll use these and let you know how these are in action. Because right now I have no way of knowing if these will actually be useful, but I have high hopes for these because also, I mean, the packaging is flawless. It's really hip and cute, so I'll let you know after I use these. Oh, before I move on, the Korean website gave me these free needles, probably because I spent way too much money on their website, so thank you so much for this free gift. Alright, I saved the best for the last, guys. Boom. Knitter's Pride Ginger Special. It's the interchangeable needle set for those who haven't heard of this one, but anyone who's semi-serious about knitting have either heard of this or already own this set. So, wow, can't believe I own one now. I don't know if this is real leather, but it feels really high quality, by the way. So, let's open it up. What? Okay. Okay, let's get serious, guys. Oh my god. This set is so gorgeous. Okay. And what is this? Is this a pen? Why is there a pen here? Someone tell me. Okay. What's in here? Oh. Okay, it looks like we got some cables. I think there's 4. Not sure about the length. And we also got some free stitch markers. So thank you for these useful accessories. I don't know what this is for. We'll figure it out later. Okay. Wow. Let's take a closer look at one of the needles. If I can get it out, that is. Wow. So I don't usually work with wooden needles, but these are less sharp than the metal ones that I'm used to, which is actually nice because it won't puncture my finger when I try to move the yarn around with the tips of the needle. And wow, the connection between this metal part and the wood part is so smooth. It's probably smoother than some of the metal ones that I work with, so which would mean less snagging. Yeah, the wood feels really good in my hands. Ah. Okay, it's all good. Won't break anything that I just bought. Okay. So it looks like the thicker ones are slightly longer than the thinner ones. And we have a pretty good range of sizes here. It looks like it goes from like US size 3 to 17. So that's nice because I don't own some of the bigger size needles. Oh my god, I can't wait to get started on a project with these. I still have some things I have to finish up, but I'll let you know as soon as I use them and how they are in action. So that's it, folks, for today's haul video. I feel like I spent a lot of money but still don't have too many things to show for, so I don't know how that happened, but hopefully you enjoyed my video. And I wanted to prepare swatches for each of the yarn, but I just ran out of time. But I do like to show the swatch before I start each of my projects, so that's a plug for you to subscribe and keep your eye out for my next videos. I think the next video I upload will probably be a vlog of a sweater that I've been working on, and I think it's gonna turn out pretty great, so you guys should definitely check that out, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you!